Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I've been super busy. So this round body padlock, this old school American padlock, was sent to me for my round body padlock collection by the one and only Paracentric. It goes by Paracentric on YouTube. There goes I know it's getting a glare. Paracentric. So I don't remember if we did a swap or if he just sent it to me, but he's also put this tag on it that says the American 600 early logo, and it is. This is the old school logo. They have changed it since. So very cool, very cool. Nice addition to the collection. Now it also has this SHH stamped into the back. Now the only cheat sheet I have for that is right here. So if we go off of this, SHH would be August 77. So I could be wrong about this, but this is all that I have right here for American lock. So again, it would be August 77. So could be, maybe not. So let's see if we can't pick into it, and then we'll see what's inside. Hopefully it's fully stock, because that's the kind I really like. Stock all the way. Alright, well, let me see. First, actually, let's take this off here. Yeah, I've been super busy. Y'all know I moved recently, and I am actually still getting situated. Let's get this stuff off of there. Oh yeah, and that core, there's a little pin down inside there. You got to push the pin back and the whole thing will slide out. So yep, old school. But there is the key, the bitting on it. 1 2 3 4 5 pinner, quite possibly. All right, let's see if we can't pick it, and then we'll gut it. Well, hopefully gut it. Alright, so I'm using a thinner pick because I have picked this lock a couple of times previously. And this thinner pick right here really does a good job getting around in there. Alright, so let's see if we can get something started first. Maybe I'm better off down here. Ooh. Okay, that was rough. I just don't know if they're all really that high. Whoa. Yeah, I think I might have overset it. Yeah, let's reset that there. Boom. Trying to balance out that tension a little bit with overcoming the core is spring loaded too, so. I don't know. That one in the back seems to be messing with me. I think it's 4. All the way in the back again. Yeah, I feel like I'm oversetting. Whoop. I feel like I'm oversetting that one in the back. I keep oversetting that the 5th pin. Calm down a little bit. Take it a little slower. Two, three. Five. The one in the front ain't giving me nothing. I don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. That felt better. 5, 4. Right up front, maybe. There we go. Boom. Put up a fight. I gotta give it that. But you know what? American locks. I love American locks. Just love them. Okay, so let's see if we can't pop that core out of there. Let me see. I need something. Get a skinny screwdriver and get down in there. Perhaps do this at the same time. There we go. There we go. All right, so yeah, these are kind of a pain because you got to push in that pin back here. You got to definitely use a shim. So let's see. Let's do, man, this is going to be a pain in the butt. Oh, you know what? Actually, you got to remove a pin. Push in the other pin. Let me see. Oh, boy. Let me see if I want to do this. Here, that one's got to come out. Okay, I thought one of them was springy. So both of those got to come out. Alright, so we're not going to be disassembling this thing anytime soon. Yeah, you got to knock them pins out. So anyways, there it is. The American 600 old school logo from Paracentric. Thank you again so much for sending that lock in. I do appreciate it. If we didn't do a swap, I guess I owe you a lock. But yeah, there you go. American 600. Perhaps I could figure out how to get that apart and do a part 2. I don't know, but you get it. Thanks you all so much for tuning in. I highly appreciate it. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so because all the cool people are doing it and you don't want to be left out. Thanks.